Good afternoon. Today we'll be talking about the usability on themes and creativity between Google Drive and PowerPoint. So we're going to jump right in with PowerPoint. And the one nice thing with Google Drive is it's labeled right here on this mid layer right here. It says theme. You click that and it'll automatically bring it up to the right over here. And as you see, it's pretty simple to look through all of these, and you see nice variation of color and design and different types of text. So over here on Beach Day, the writing's a little bit more cartoonish versus this slate over here where it's more of like the Times New Roman, so it's a little bit more serious. So you have kind of a different feel to each different type of theme, but it also doesn't have a whole lot of selection. You only have about 12 to choose from, whereas if you go over here you can import a theme, but then that means you would have to create your own type of theme and actually download something onto your laptop that takes up space. Whereas if you go over to PowerPoint and you click New right here, it'll take you to this page and it'll show you some of the other ones that you've done down here in case you want to reference to those. And up here it displays different themes that you've recently used or you can use that are like popular at the time. So like I did the dog and I did a few statistics presentations. But if you go to more themes right here, it actually shows you more than Google Drive would, and they have more design options and colors and patterns, and they actually give you a couple of photos you can use, like this coffee one up here or the oranges and the different types of numbers. So if you're doing like a math presentation or a presentation in the future at a job where you have to go over numbers in your business, or you can do cute little cutesy ones over here like the flower. And it gives you tons of different options, but I love the dog one, so we're going to stick with that guy. And the nice thing is it'll open it up after you hit create, so it kind of gives you like a idea of what it would look like. So this one is a black and white template, includes icons to help you organize data and all of that. So we're going to hit create, and it's going to bring it up right here. And the nice thing is if you click over here on design ideas on the far right, it'll give you a nice chart of different ways you could do the font, different places you could put it, so you're not wasting time kind of moving stuff around and figuring out exactly what you want. So I believe that the PowerPoint theme area is a lot more accessible to users and is the best option for user-friendly design-wise presentations. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.